analog electronic gate class. Now, hello, welcome to the analog electronics gate class. So, in today's class, I'll take a small problem that is from GATE 2014, IIT Kharagpur from Communication Engineering branch. So, here we are going to take this problem today. The question is given like this: the diode in the circuit shown below has a VOF of 0.7 volt, but is ideal otherwise. If Vi is equal to phi sine omega t, the minimum and the maximum value of V0 are respectively. So what is given? Input is given. Input is a sine wave that is given like this. Okay, and output is asked across this circuit. If I am able to zoom out it, so if you can see, this is the circuit in which two resistors are there, R1 and R2. R1 and R2 are given along with diode D, and the various options are given. So answers A, B, C, D are given. So let us solve it. So before we proceed, let me take this circuit. So I have taken this circuit. Now I'm going to next page. Okay, and then I will start with the solution. So I'm going to paste the circuit over here basically. Okay. So here, as you can see, the input is given. The input was given as a phi sine omega t. So input is a sine wave which is having an amplitude. It is given as a phi sine omega t. So this amplitude is maximum 5 volt and minimum minus 5 volt. This is voltage. This is with respect to time. So we have to find the output for minimum and then maximum. Minimum followed by maximum. See, the order you cannot reverse because it is first as minimum, then maximum. In our sine wave, we can see over here that there are two maximum and minimum points. So this maximum point is 5 volt and the minimum point is minus 5 volt. So we have to give in another time it should be minus 5 and we have to obtain the output V0 for it. So let us consider the case 1 when V in is max. That is Vi max is equal to 5 volt. Okay. So for this, let me redraw the circuit again. So I'll just paste it. So Vi max, I am going to denote it as Vi max, that is equal to 5 volt. And in this you have to see that when 5 volt is given, what is the output? So this is the diode given over here. So now if you see at this point, if I denoted by Vp and this I denoted by Vn, so whether I have to remove open circuit the diode or close it will depend upon the potential difference between Vp and Vn. So if I draw separately over here, so this is a Vp and this is a Vn. So Vp is coming out around to be 5 volt and this Vn is coming out around to be 2 volt. So what I can do is I can find out the voltage, that is voltage across diode, is equal to Vp minus Vn, that is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 volt. Okay. So this Vd is greater than V cut in, that is of 0.7. So diode will be in on condition. When the voltage across the diode is greater than V cut in, that is normally taken as 0.6 or 0.7. Here it is given as 0.7. So 3 is greater than 0.7. 3 is greater than 0.7 volt. Therefore, diode will be in on condition. So in on condition, we can substitute with a what to say, we can substitute it with a battery of 0.7 volts. So I'm redrawing the circuit over here. So this is the circuit I am going to redraw. So the diode here in this case will be substituted by a battery of 0.7 volt, since it is on, and then you are having 2 volt over here as it is plus minus with respect to ground, and this is 1 kilo ohm and this is 1 kilo ohm, R1 R2. So this was R1 and this was R2, and Vi max, that is equal to 5 volt, and we have to find output V0 for this. So now here what I can do is, here now let us solve it. So it's very easy. So you can see the potential here is 5 volt, and you can consider that it to be a battery of 5 volt that is connected in the circuit like this, plus minus 5 volt, and you have to obtain basically the voltage across it. So if I find out the current in the circuit over here and then later find out this drop over here, I can easily find out the V0 max. V0 will be maximum in this case. So in order to get it, let us solve it. So let me say this is current I1 in the circuit. So I1 will be given by difference in the potential of the 2 points divided by resistance. So I is equal to 5 minus this 2 and 0.7 together will become 2.7 volts divided by this series resistance 1k plus 1k. So it will become 2 kilo ohm. 2 kilo ohm. So that I1 you will get it as 2.3 divided by 2. 2.3 divided by 2 milliampere. So this is the value of the current. Now once the current is known, this current is flowing through this R2 in the circuit and we are having battery. So if we are able to calculate the voltage across this R2, so we can calculate V0. So V0 max is equal to voltage across R2 plus 0.7 plus 2 volt. So VR2 is nothing but I1 into R2 plus 2.7 volts. This comes out to be 2.3 divided by 2 milli into milliampere into R2 is 1 kilo ohm plus 2.7 volts. So this comes out to be 2.3 divided by 2. This millikilo are going to cancel out, plus 2.7 volt. And ultimately it comes out 1.15 plus 2.7, that is equal to 2.85 volts. Sorry, 3.85 volts. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3.85 volts. So you are getting this. Now if you go back and see to the question that is given, if you go back and see to the question that was given, if you find in the options, so here you can find out that here you can find it out that it is given as 3.85 and no option is having another answer. So definitely the other part, this is maximum part, the minimum part should get it, we should get it as -5. So let us go and solve the another part of the problem. That is the next part. For that next part, I need to paste the circuit again. So I am going to paste it. Okay. So the part 2. Now part 2, in which the input is VI minimum. VI minimum, that is equal to minus 5 volt, because it was sine wave. We are considering this minus 5 volt. So next, when you give minus 5 volt here, we will get V0 as a minimum. Okay. In this case, if we look across the diode, so its Vp and Vn terminal are minus 5 volt and 2 volt. So just simply do Vd is equal to Vp minus Vn. So that you are going to get it as minus 5 minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2, that is equal to minus 7. And here, since the voltage across the diode is negative, you can consider it as ideal. So ideal diode is replaced by a open switch. So again, I am going to paste the again I am going to paste the diagram over here. So in this diagram now, I am going to remove this diode. Okay, I am going to remove this diode. This diode will be replaced by a open switch. Why? Because so this diode will be replaced by a open switch. Now here, if I want to continue, I can say that this diode will be open. Now I am giving Vi minimum as minus 5. So this voltage will come as Vi minimum as equal to minus 5, because the diode is off, no current is flowing over here. So what you get? Vi minimum is equal to minus 5. And in the answer, if you go ahead, so the answer is for the minimum part, minimum and then maximum was asked. So output voltage V0 minimum followed by V0 maximum. So V0 minimum came out to be minus 5 volt and Vmax came to be 3.85 volt. So if we go back and see, so here you can see that this is option C is our correct answer. So answer is option C. So thank you, students. So I am Mr. A. Shirsagar from NK Orchid College of Engineering and Technology. So in the similar way, we are going to discuss the further problems. So thank you all.